In this guide, I will be showing you guys the best party setup you can use once you unlock both additional hero slots. The best overall team setup in Taxpayer Hero is Knight, Ranger and Priest. This combination may not be the absolute fastest farming build, but it gives you a perfect balance of survivability, damage and healing, which makes it extremely reliable for most stages in the game. With this setup, you can comfortably earn gold, collect gear and push into harder levels without struggling too much. The Knight works as your frontline tank, absorbing damage and protecting the team. The Ranger is your main damage dealer, helping you clear enemies quickly and efficiently, especially during early and mid-game farming. The Priest acts as your support healer, keeping your team alive during longer battles. One important thing to note is that Priest is a free DLC hero, so you'll need to claim her through Steam before you can use her. You can easily do this by going into the formation menu, selecting Priest from the character list, and activating her using the bottom below her sprite. When choosing your starting hero, both Knight and Ranger are strong options. Ranger is better if you want faster clears and early farming efficiency, while Knight is ideal if you prefer a strong and reliable tank from the beginning. Priest becomes much more stronger once you start equipping her with gear and becomes even more valuable after unlocking additional hero slots, as her healing support really shines in a full team setup. And don't worry if you started with Sorcerer, because he is still a solid damage dealer. You can always adjust your team later through the formation menu and build toward a balanced party with damage, defense and sustain. And that's it. This is the best party setup in Taxpayer Hero to help you progress smoothly and efficiently. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.